Do you want to know how you can use the relax mode on Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use relax mode on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser on your PC and open midjourney.com. Log into your account, and what you need to do to use your relax mode is write down any prompts over here. Give the command of the prompts. Let's suppose I want to copy this prompt over here. So I'll copy this prompt. I'll paste it here and you can see the settings option over here. Go ahead and click on settings and you can see the speed option, relax, fast and turbo. To keep your Midjourney on relax mode, go ahead and click relax. After you enable the relax mode, you must notice that your output will come a bit slow, but the quality will increase. So go ahead and click enter and you can see that it will start a bit slow rather than starting fast and turbo. In a while, your image will start and then it will complete. This way, you can enable the relax mode and bring your quality to your picture. I hope this video about how you can enable the relax mode on Midjourney was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.